not looking good.
What are you doing? What is that? What does it make?
Sophie, what does it make?
Patterns. Z. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Sophie, what movie did we see today?
Percy Jackson Pooh. Toot.
Perky Jackson.
Michael Jackson?
Percy Jackson, Daddy.
Oh, look at me when you say it.
Percy Jackson.
Tell me about what you're drawing.
Here, I'll hold it while you do it. Hold on. I have to get the whole thing on there.
Which one?
Just pick one. Closer to the middle. Closer. There you go. That one. Yeah, now put it against the wall, and then you can go around. That's it. Oh, it's not drawing.